Subscribe na share link no e ma friends ni bi na ka interactive musomfo me dey ade pan ma papa na me dey ebre musensem bi bukina mo beti na mahunu makaya endro achi Saturday yi ena Wendy Shay concert no ye concert no ba so na otimu se ade na ye de yi mu aye hwehwe ham na ene sen lady bi e friend no Diamond e marry ni video bi circulate on social media pan yi na otimu se ni facial expression no the lady is feeling more vibe Asem like that's when young or the bionya vibe bio lady when the Shay concert na say now me say when the Shay so there enyaba ne concert there na say shatwale ebebe biara sa pa enti shatwale baba ye there we ko artist bebe na ba ye what you say na when na lady pia one can so crown card ye be one come on cra one the video be celebrate no kwani video na celebrate say Diamond na Diamond me bacha o de ma munya video ni bi hwe no the Diamond can feelings ha o be video ni bi abe muti say lady no ye rena ka say die mu die pam ana ye di no wa ye kwasa tena say ama when the secret bu fu ye kwani go tie ye when the Shay kasa o kan say efile ko lady Diamond on si ne concert na si biem ena sa guys ni enu na mo we no mo ti no omo so mo si ase bi mo bande wo mo afa Diamond be tue sika 5,000 na odi apmana ko ma aba fom na afei efile ko mani si ne program asi biem mo me go ni video ne mbra be to aso.
I am Wendy Shay. I will no longer allow Diamond Queen and those two men to attend my concerts. This performance is a gift for my fans, yet Diamond Queen engaged in some excessively intimate interactions with those two young men. Many fans even expressed strong discomfort after witnessing this. I want to say that I don't mind them stealing the spotlight that should have been mine. What worries me is that their actions may be conveying wrong values to young audiences. As an artist, I am extremely angry because I am well aware that the power of a stage goes far beyond that of a single song. Improper dissemination of a performance will leave a distinct impression on the minds of teenagers. If we allow such inappropriate behavior to take place openly under the spotlight, it is tantamount to acquiescing to the occurrence of such overstepping actions, which is a disrespect to all those who truly love the stage. I must stand firm on my position. I will not allow any behavior that may harm others or have a negative impact on teenagers to occur at my performance venues. My stage is not just a space for music, but more importantly, a place where I hope to convey respect and healthy values. If even we adults who have voices and influence cannot hold our ground and
uphold... Na anybody adas mo ye anybody so what most a lady no na nya brie na we facial expression na like you can't get it and afford this issue na when they say me pa chadama o concert na we ye no o invite someone for bebre and I want mo so board don pay and can I don't say a program at home more na a whole board on Pimuye. Na Diamond Queen, Tiawaye, makes me who say a dear ampa. And I say, because Natana was channel, a teacher made than money. I had to say, I say, green color, is a green lady, lash, Bianasa, yellow bee, Sanatari, dear, Kefan made than money. Now, means me who say made than money, no, I say. Atana na sharono obibet mi adino at the sport one man tisi wa bro through ni nansa kwara funu na ma aso wa bro ni nika no enti misameka ebesi na again no yadino adebo mama me hwe ni you lady no or boyfriend na the boyfriend me kasai but di anko na dead kweni se de osimi ye wani mu no ele mama fo hu say ye do because you bet me up at Aaron. Aunt, I bet me up pie. When the Shay say, if you need no curo, and see program I see you. When you are Branson, Mamma will be Say Montimia Tim Homo Pregamase, Montimia no boyfriend by and papa, Montimia Remohom, Ancasa, and yet Yeno Suzo dear, safety cultivation, so ban ever. And now Brat Tobacco, and Brat him you. O my brain to a pine to a and to a, and no more 20 be, a year 20 be a free. When she has small cannon. Enti, Madama, Queen Diamond, almost just say, na embrate me no, shame on you. When the chess are funny binum, and so my friend ye, we want to know the bush and let you, what Jenny free and on them prebitier. Because how are your man is in you? I can't for power, my commander, or major support. Eh, now, yes, and I done about Ghana. If you are saying, I say, you are saying, point. Now, what me express? Oh, the mamma, would you head and again about Bacassa to Bacassa, and the about it? When she about three, Eddie, I will be up a wasp, will be out of when see where they are Sreka. Say, never told saying, I say, Sana, fat check. Oh, next time be a mono, among your bill. Oh, my fault dog, won't was so those measure, ebony and 9. Said the grandpa, you make me feel because I say, yeah, quite sorry, so maybe I try and your money, yeah, quite it. Yeah, quite it, sorry. Some activity cool, son, no be much one, my penny be any brab, yeah, quite sorry, yeah, quite as but will be a quite sorry. Obia for more sorry, yeah, quite sorry, I'm not couple. Aye. On the one, the next have for beam, and I've more sacrifice. Some say, let me master dear. You can draw a car near Castle Panel, Papa Castle, ma'am, and let me master and I've been doing now. Wouldn't you say, let master or A to Z to one? Wouldn't you say to Z a few so national? Maybe I try maybe one more gymnast, I could share doctor, and I swear yet, I could hear Drobia and one more Drobia and say, I'm fine and Nakama. But let master need Nanny, the sick someday affordable. When you're finna, if 500 million be 500 million be broke. Eya mankasa wodi no na eboabo immune system no wodi mi say diabetes na mafo ka no wodi mi say diabetes e kum ni papa na so bia mbu diabetes when we see e twa wona back e twa won sa back e twa won kwa baabi na wodi mante pa dia na gopo na ade won afofu diabetes ye ya reborning enti mi so wo hihire de ubenya na kwa na bi ma dwori bi anu na so won ato na bibia da na akwa woni mi say ka pressure pa obi ni fie na wakoma ebo peri intentama na say pressure na e kosoro obi ni wonchen na wo hwe na wiase ko bone na say wo na obi waram wada ma pressure de ni binom ya nto ba ko enja ni mienu e to ni ensa ni nanti wada ma ye to that pressure diabetes nso do ni bi enom be ma pa de say da yi diamond eye no program ya see member na so muti do ma sing because say the diamond ye na ni mu na so ba jina na bi ma edori bi na no ye na bi ma do ni bi ana ba jina mu ya ma mema no am so muti mi bu atrima e wo program na say enti ye true de ye be ma manpower eno no o pere power da na peni so bi wa ha but me edi bi apelo wada ma for number 8 e was kuna na bi ma e wo adwumam kenka se junction aye enti wo de gawo junction do pro busa gawo junction bi abekiro akoda opani wo de busa se na bi ma aso ye wo hia omuru baba fenchem we nya akuyara kwankura wodi mi so oba de nka hu ye wo ko mfutire na bu nsasa no na onsa buoni mu ye koso na moja na efuru kama na so na nse de bi ababa bi otimi fi honom na ni bra prem wo se menstrual pains ni ajay wait pa chere menstrual pains pedoni binom na ye fambro ye ko syrup ni bi na ye fambro e affordable so affordable onim se wo white ya ni pa chop ko syrup ni binom se Felix ka dices me pa chop pebina enum na onso onto onim se oba woni atinka ne ka se oba woni atinka se wa atinka pa bronya e bai de 1st December me birthday nti bra na me chobi prekope wo papa metos na me de bi aka ho acho nti se edrowe wo ya atinka do oba woni atinka de pe atinka do ni bi na enum ye wie kwanya so so de wo kwa chuma pre utonku ya wo sisi ayo win springs bibi biara ya won se boya na won se mabububu nkase akra wo ye se bon se mo ato kama ene pe ene na bi ma cream ni bi extra na also onto hu number bi no ayi nsasa bia be gugu no na de bi impulse ene mpompo esi wa kase a pe na bi ma e cream ni bi extra na emboa wo woni se de ntama ma ho ofe atoso na no ye na bi ma cream no mma ho ofe atoso wada ama People never sure na also want to. Anyone to me can be on the wa papa.